Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get and use waves filter on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on your story, and then you need to swipe here in the bottom, and in the last you will have the option to browse effects. Then you need to click on that, and here you need to search for the waves like I am doing, and click on the search, and here you can see the second waves, that is, you simply need to click on that, and you can try this effect by clicking on the try it in the right bottom corner, and if you want you can save it for later use. Once you click on try it, you can simply use that effect in your video. So this is the process by which you can get and use waves filter. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.